tang adon ni senong control sama katu kan ni benai men hakini bela dep hakini benai February March ti bela don kejing de bela sini ke senong
na shimjing mo ba kalai ka shulit ba min yo shu ban puli bahai ka kot kejing jungi ki khana school ba min thang than yo bang bitiru kakta kejing puli jungi ru
apor bang ilip ni kalai hidup nong ha kecing toy mar ba kumne kaliang hayang asam ru imju ibha lewat kuntam ki kena pule ki kena tho exam trik
hakapor bang yai kelenting sekian ru apa kadum kalai nimnut ba ngi kum tentri breu bang yai kamlong sngai ngi
ngai kan ka advertise jong kan CM connect akan terselam hi ngakol no hi bat ngalai thu ke jing ba ke jing ja ha kan di kasnong
kenongi dap yang sukman ba khrau ba nang ba kecing phone jongi CM connect te ngila yo e kalai
dena kaliang jo mama jongi ba ile complain ya ke CM connect sayo bang ini kalai
Kisamla hadok ke belah kerta kle mi renti bele thap vote haki election stang samoy jongka Gambegre Assembly Constituency tebelalong haki sampuitli jaga thap vote haka constituency yakini ke election la penlong hapadeng ka jing perking ka jing pahara keleng ke jaga banpun tikena bagani ke jing Jied Nongmihkhmat anong kebayang baik ledon rungut ki kertong ki be koni ke election stang samoy dibentuk yo sang kerabat marak ukertong klemseng jari e sangma ukertong klemseng ka sadhyarani sangma na keseng All India Turnout Congress ujingjang marak na Indian National Congress ka Mehtab Chandi sangma na NPP bad Bernard marak na keseng BJP kajeng penlong ya kenik election steng samai ke dina marbo MLA ke Congress usaleng sangma ule no ya ka syuki MLA adin mula Jied kamu MP na ka Tura Parliamentary Constituency hadin bagi Paidbah agla daban thap vote mentakan haban ap hado ka arplay trek naibir kabare ka si ban new vote mantit manu ba Jied ban Mikmat yakan ka constituency
total number of voters were 33,088 out of which 16,881 male and 16,207 female voters. We have distributed 54 number of those for home voting, and out of that 32 have chosen home voting option. We have total 3 service voters in the assembly constituency. Today polling went very peaceful. Mock poll also completed well within time. By 5:30 the report which we received, it was 80.91%, but the figures are keep on coming as the polling was ongoing in few polling stations, and all the figures had to be properly compiled. So by 6 p.m. the report what we received around, so total 90.84% in all the 51 PS. These are the voting figures what we received till time. They yet to have compiled and match with the presiding officer diary and everything. So we can't rule out little bit variation over that. But more or less whatever report till time we received, so that is yet 90.84% till time. And entire election went very peacefully, and I thank all the voters. They have come forward and casted their vote in the more than 90%. It is a good achievement. So as well as we would like to congratulate the district team who worked very hard, and all the political parties, they participated very properly, very peacefully, and the entire election process has been completed very smoothly.